Blessed morning everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy's Journey. Yan guys, so since ako lang mag-isa dito guys sa bahay guys, walang magawa yung ate ninyo. Ayan guys, so yan, gagawa tayo ng short vlog. Yan, kasi wala kasing ginagawa yung ate nyo dito. Mag-isa lang kasi nga yung mga amo ko kasi nagbabakasyon, pumunta ng China. So, they're gonna be 5 days in there. So, I'm gonna be alone here about 5 days. And tomorrow is a Chinese New Year. So, 3 days holiday ko guys. Wala akong work. So far parang wala na rin ako work ng 5 days kasi wala yung mga amo ko dito. So, tomorrow is a Chinese New Year holidays. So, day off ni Kunyang. Day off ng ng lola niyo. Ayan guys, so I just want to show you this one guys. Wow, look at guys, what kind of orchids is this? Ang cute ni guys, nakikitan lang ako niya kasi nga mayroon siyang mayroon siyang purple sa gitna na anong klaseng na to, orchids na to guys. Ayan guys, oh, makikita niyo oh. Ayan. So, every Chinese New Year's guys, here sa sa Hong Kong guys, lahat ng mga tao dito, mayroon silang orchids na binibili sa labas guys. But wow, it's crazy yung price guys. Alam mo ba yung yung price nito? Ganito lang to. Ganito lang with a vase. Ayan, with some decoration in it. And yan guys, alam mo kung magkano yung cost nito? 500 Hong Kong dollar. It's equivalent to 4,000 siguro sa Pilipinas. And last time, if you can see my last video, my recent video uploaded. Guys, yung price ng yung price ng napakalaking vase na na pangalan nito na orchids. Wow, it cost 2,000 Hong Kong dollar, which is 14,000 mahigit guys sa Pilipinas guys sa piso. So, wag mo na i-convert guys kung gusto. Wag mo na lang kasi parang parang gold yung yung halaga biruin mo 14,000. 14,000 mahigit yung isang vase na malaki. At saka yung ganito lang kalaki siya guys. Umabot siya ng 500 to 400 to 500 Hong Kong dollar, which is nasa mga 4,000 mahigit. 3,000 or 4,000 something like that. Kasi yung depende kasi sa sa currency, sa value ng pera natin from Hong Kong to Philippines. So, yan guys, nakikita lang kasi ako nito guys, kasi tingnan mo guys ha. Tadan! Tingnan mo yung itsura niya, white with the purple in the middle. Wow. Yan, tingnan mo. Ang cute niya guys, diba? So, pagkatapos ito guys, the thing is, pagkatapos ng Chinese New Year guys, lang to nila, itatapon lang to nila. Diba, mahal sa atin yung orchids. Kahit pa lang siya, kahit ang pangalan nito yung hindi pa siya namumunga. Hindi pa siya namumunga. Hindi pa siya namumulaklak, di ba? Pero sila dito, guys, kahit gaano ka-healthy pa yan, basta after Chinese New Year's, itatapon na yan nila. Oh, di ba? Kung malapit lang sa Pilipinas to, uwi ko to. Kung malapit lang, kung pwede pa lang, uwi ko. Kasi nga pagkatapos ng ng Chinese New Year, itatapon din nila Ayan oh. So, di ba? Ang ganda. Oh, see? Napaka-healthy niya. Oh. Ayan. So, yung ginagawa kasi ng ng kapatid ng amo ko, ng kambal ng amo ko, para makalis siya, bumili lang siya ng vase. Then, bumili siya ng plants, which is $60 lang yung plants na namumulaklak na. So, siya na yung naglalagay dito ng plants dito sa vase, at siya na yung naglalagay ng decoration. So, 'di ba? Malaking save niya. She's very wise. Ayan, guys. So, I was just surprise this kind of guys na meron siyang purple sa gitna guys. Wow, huli nga. So beautiful. Yeah, I wish magkaroon ako ng ganito pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas. Merong ganito doon sa ko, sa room ko, sa bahay, sa living room. Ayan, I like flowers guys. I like orchids. Ayan, picture muna tayo. Kasi mag-isa lang ako dito, walang ginagawa. Ayan guys, tapos na kasi yung trabaho natin guys. Tapos na, ginawa ko na yung trabaho ko kahapon. So, I'm free. Ayan, during my free time guys. Ayan. magbablog muna tayo. Kahit ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay, boring na boring. So, I just make this time to, guys, to become, worth it. Ang tawag dito. Na may magagawa tayo kahit, kahit naboboring tayo. So, may magagawa tayo. So, I'm just going to make a short content for this one, guys. So, yeah, I'm just sharing with you guys what's going on during Chinese New Year. Every people here in Hong Kong, they're going to have orchids flower in their house. So, yeah, last Chinese New Year, they're having a purple color. Purple, all the flower, they're purple, but now is white with the purple in the middle. So, how it looks like, guys. Look at that, and look at the vase. Yan ang ginagawa ng kambal ng amo ko. Diba? Ang cute niya. Oh, see? It's very, very cute, guys. So, yan. So, wait. Ang cute niya, diba? Wala namang amoy. Pero ang ganda naman ng niya. Nakakaano. So far, guys, hindi ako naglala. Pag pumunta ka ng maraming ng shopping mall, daming guys, kahit sa market, guys, kahit sa wheat market, pag pumunta ka ng wheat market, lahat ng shop doon, puro orchids, different kind of orchids, guys, different color. So, napaka-beautiful talaga during Chinese New Year's, guys. Ganyan talaga yung ginagawa nila, guys, kasi nga ang mahal. Napakamahal ng orchids, guys. Parang katumbas niya is gold. Mas mahal pa nga eh. Magano yung gram ng gold, parang parang ganun eh. Parang katumbas ng 1 gram na gold yung niya eh. Hindi lang ganun. Talagang napaka-dollar ng amount niya, guys. Ayan, ang ganda. So guys, thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope I can make another content, guys, if I go to tomorrow, if I'm going to shopping mall or different kinds of guys, shop, guys. Makikita natin yung different kind of orchids, guys, which is very, very beautiful and very fresh and healthy. So I hope tomorrow, guys, because it's my holiday tomorrow, guys. So I hope makakuha tayo ng content dito doon, guys, at I will show you how beautiful the flower, how beautiful the orchids are there. So, thank you for watching this video, guys, and I love you all. God bless everyone, and everyone who's here in Hong Kong. Happy Chinese New Year for tomorrow, and I hope everyone are safe, and stay safe, guys, because ang lamig-lamig, guys. So, be careful. You must wear your all clothes in your cabinet because it's very cold. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Love you all. God bless, and see you for my next video. Love you.